Hi guys, welcome back with the third and last puzzle. In the additional, not in today's newspaper on Monday, April the 24th, 2023. It's the edition, the weekend edition of Saturday, Saturday, April the 22nd, or Sunday, April the 23rd. This additional I've made on Sunday. So two puzzles are done today. Yes, we have the letter Sudoku and the 2-star Sudoku just solved half hour ago, and it's time for the last puzzle, the Tectonic with 1 star. In Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese Suguru, and this will be number 6331. 6331. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 60 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one has 16 printed digits. It's also indicated with 1 star, and for 1 star puzzle I need to be faster than 50 minutes. 50 minutes. We'll see if I can manage this faster than 50 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box or boxes is always a 1. Here single box, there single box. Single boxes are always a 1. Then the following question, do we have here dual boxes? I see here 1 dual box. The 1 is already filled in, so that box should be a 2 then. More dual boxes, nope. Quadra boxes then. I see here a quadra box contains the 1, the 2 and the 3. Well, those 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this triple box should be here. So the 1 and the 2 are left. Let me mark those 2 boxes. More triple boxes here. No. Do we have here quadra boxes then? Let me check. No quadra box. Oh, here we have a quadra box. Contains the 1, the 2, 3 and 4. Well, this box can be 2 and this box can be a 1. The 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 2, 1 and 2. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 3. Okay. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures or constructions. For example, the T shape. We have here the T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. Alright. So that box has the same number as this box. Alright. The T shape. More T shapes in this puzzle. Yeah, I see another T shape but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case it's a 4 here. Alright. And that box has the same number as this box. So in this case it's a 3 here. Alright. More T shapes, another T shape, mirrored. So this box has the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box. So in this case, it's a 1 or a 2. Alright, and those are the T shapes. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case it's a 2 here. Alright, so 1 digit left in this quadra box for number 1. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Let me check. No, only 1. Then the following shape, how about the L shape upside down? We have an L shape here upside down. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more L shapes? Nope, only one L shape. Then the following shape, how about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 3 here. Alright. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Let me check. No, only one. And the final shape, I believe here. This is the final shape that you need to recognize. This one, alright. This shape, when you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 here. Alright. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes in this puzzle? No, only one. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shapes. Maximum 6. I believe one shape is missing, the S or the Z construction. Yeah, maximum 6, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 5 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step. It's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These are 3 boxes. Surround the 1 can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this L-shaped area should be here. These 2 boxes can be 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 anymore. This box should be a 2. Is connected with that box should be also 2. 1 box left in this triple box for number 1. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this T-shaped area should be here. These are 3 boxes. Surround the 2 can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. This box can be a 2, that box can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. Alright, these are 3 boxes. Surround the 2 can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. Well. These 2 boxes can be 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. These 2 boxes can be 2. Those 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. Then these 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this T-shaped area should be here. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 2 and the 5. 2 and 5, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, the 5 goes and there. These 2 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape should be here. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 3 and the 5. 3 and 5, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, the 5 goes there. Then these 2 boxes can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and the 5. 4 and the 5, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. This box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 4. 3 and 4, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 4 goes at there. This box can be a 3. So this box can be 3, and that box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there, and I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this L-shaped area for number 4. These 2 boxes can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. then let me see. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4, 3 and 4. Okay. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5, 4 and 5, 4 and 5. Yeah. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5, 3 and 5. Okay, and this box is connected with that box, so we also 3 and 5. But we already have a 3 here, so it can be 3 and more. This box should be a 5 then. Is connected with that box, should be also 5. 1 box left in this area for number 3. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 3 and the 4. 3 and 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes and there. 4 and 5, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes and there. Then this box can be a 3, that box can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area, should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and the 5, let me mark those 4 and 5, 4 and 5. This box is also connected with that box, should be so 4 and 5, but we already have a 4 here, so it can be 4 and more. This box should be a 5, is connected with that box, should be also a 5. 1 box left in this area for number 4, 1 box left in this T-shaped area for number 4. Okay. This box can be a 5, that box can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area, should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 4. 3 and 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes and there. 3 and 4, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes and there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5, yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 5. We have a 5 now, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. And the final 2 numbers in this area for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes and there. Finish in 12 minutes. Told you need to be faster than 15 minutes. And we solve it again, and I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of puzzles. Playlists. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all those playlists that you want. Playlist for the Tectonic, playlist for the binaries, playlist for the ladder Sudokus. I've also a playlist for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus. A playlist for the heavy, the medium, the light, the killer Sudoku, and also for the samurai Sudoku, a.k.a. quintuplet. All kind of playlists. I've all kind of puzzles. I have a playlist for those puzzles. Yeah, just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Monday. We will see you on Tuesday. Yes, tomorrow. Until then, bye bye for now.